Next classical agent after agar, which is obtained from the marine source, is alginic acid. Alginic acid is obtained from the Phaeophyceae laminaria or brown algae laminaria. Chemically it composed of carbohydrate polysaccharide, which is a heteropolysaccharide, polyuronic acid. Polyuronic acid is the polymer of mannose and the glucouronic acid. The color is buff. The compound's color is buff, odorless, tasteless, available in a coarse or fine powder. Mainly, it is used with antacid to protect the stomach layer from harmful effect of the acids. And in pharmaceutics, it is used as stabilizer for ointment, emulsifying agent, binding agent that binds the compounds in tablet, disintegrating agent that disintegrate the tablet after absorbing the water from the gastrointestinal tract and release the drug. So here you can see the structure of alginic acids as a polymer of mannose and glucoronate. Next drug is obtained from a red algae, Rhodophyceae chondrus crispus. The name of the drug is carrageenan, or synonym is Irish moss. Basically, two types of carrageenan is available. One is the kappa carrageenan and another is the lambda carrageenan. They are actually the polymer of D-galactose, kappa carrageenan 3,6 anhydrous D-galactose and sulfated ester, and lambda carrageenan is mono and disulfated ester. They are available as free-flowing powder, purplish or red purplish brown color. Mainly in pharmaceutics, carrageenan is used as emulsifying agent, gelling agent, but in pharmacology that are used, the suspension is injected in animal for biological screening of anti-inflammatory drug. So the injection of this carrageenan mainly injected on the paw of rat or mice to induce the inflammation. So it is used as inflammatory agent in the anti-inflammatory drug screening. So you can see the beautiful image of this Irish moss. Next drug is obtained from another beautiful animal of this earth. The head portion is used for collecting this particular chemical. That is spermaceti, which is obtained from the sperm whale, Physeter macrocephalus. It's a waxy substance, and mainly it is white pearly masses. Physically untouched to touch, odorless, tasteless. Chemically, these are the ester of cetyl palmitate. It's a ester, cetyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol and palmitic acid, lauric acid, myristic acid, and mainly it is used as emollient, ointment base, and cold cream. So spermaceti's use is restricted to the topical agents. And next two compound, that is ichthamol and diatomaceous earth or Kaichel goods, are obtained from the fossilized source under the ocean. So ichthamol is a black tarry distillate which is obtained from the bituminous cyst of fossilized fish. So ichthamol is obtained from the fossilized fish, and that is mainly used as a topical agent and antiseptic. And second thing is diatomaceous earth or Kaichel good, which is obtained from the shell of the fossilized unicellular algae. So this one is obtained from the fossilized algae, and it is used as a filtering aid, promote the filtration process. It is also used as a base of face powder, and also used absorbent in chromatography. Next drug is obtained from the salmon fish, that is protamine, which is a basic low molecular weight protein obtained from the sperm or mature testes of salmon fish. It is hygroscopic crystalline powder, white or grayish white in color, sparingly soluble in water and alcohol. Mainly it is used as heparin antagonist. Heparin, you know, that is anticoagulant, and mainly used prior to different surgical operation. And it combines with the strongly acidic heparin to form a stable salt and reduces the effect of the heparin. When the application of heparin or is not needed, no longer needed, then it is used. And it is also used to prepare the special insulin formulations, sustained release insulin formulation, because it slows down the release of insulin in body fluid. So protamine insulin is one of the formulation. Next drug is Pralidoxime, very important drug which reactivate the cholinesterase. So basically cholinesterase inhibitor or this type of pesticides, parathion, malathion, the type of organophosphorus pesticide that inactivate the cholinesterase and that prolongs the activity of the acetylcholine. And that happen when person accidentally taken or homicide or suicidal purposes taken the pesticides. So that prevents the activity of this kind of pesticides, and cholinesterase reactivator is Pralidoxime is obtained from the electric eel. So it is mainly used as antidote of parathion pesticide. Here you can see the structure of the Pralidoxime. And the last drug under this classical category is Alginic acid, which is obtained from the Rhodophyceae or red algae Digenia simplex, and it is used as anthelmintic. Here you can see the structure of this particular drug.